15,000. Here, bro.
15? This looks absolutely beautiful for a video and photos, so we're gonna do a photo shoot. All right, now on to the waterfall, which is like right there. They are definitely doing construction, and you're not supposed to park in the mud. It happened to rain the day before and that night, so when we got there, that like little downhill section was all mud. But I made the best of it. It was a lot of fun.
I have to get off the motorbike in order for him to ride up there.
Yeah, if we both went down, it would have been pretty. You would have been really upset.
I saw the way you ride down there, and I think I made the right
upset.
decision that I don't get on the bike.
The thing with construction is they're building all over Bali, you know, to help and make it easier and more comfortable for all the tourists. Bali is really well known.
It's like
for
paradise
tourists.
for travelers.
But they're keeping their roots and their history and architecture and everything, you know, normal, just like back in the day when their traditions were. Everything's still the same. Their architecture is beautiful still. It's still a Balinese architecture with the buildings looking the way they are. It's absolutely gorgeous. I guess there's a little construction.
Yeah.
There. Where's that hole?
Morning. Thank you.
People are
See,
so nice.
You pay 10,000 rupiah to get in, but like Tao was just saying, I think it's definitely worth it because the locals come out here at 6 in the morning and they start cleaning, they sweep all the paths. You have a nice clean toilet at the top if you need it. So, I mean, it's definitely worth helping out the
helping
locals.
the community around here. Because I think people who live around here, they come and work for this waterfall. I think like cleaning up and managing.
And I mean, even if you go to Monkey Forest, like the one that's outside of Ubud, like those are all volunteers that work there, and going there can get pretty scary sometimes because the monkeys kind of do whatever they want, and if you don't have somebody that's walking you around like a guide, then it seems a little dangerous. This is a must when traveling anywhere in Asia. Bugs. All the waterfalls you go to around here are all in the jungle. So if you're gonna come to like Ubud and up north and places that aren't like right in the city center, definitely come prepared with bug spray. I bring bug spray everywhere I go.
Look into Google Map guide, you will see that if you search in Bali, and then you will see that Bali is like all green.
All the way from Ubud up north. Everything is green.
It's like full of jungle. Before we come here, we check like where our apartment is.
Yeah, you can. It's just green.
Like it's all green. Like this country is surrounded by
Jungle,
waterfall. It's
beautiful. That's what makes it so beautiful. this means, but it seems like every waterfall we go to in Bali has these rocks stacked up.
Yeah.
So you did research on the rocks being stacked up, right?
Kind of. Is a forum that people like talk about the rock shine.
And what does it stand for? What is
It said that it's like the way for people to respect the God. Because you know that Bali is the land of God. That is what people say. It's a slogan for Bali. It's like Bali is the land of God. And wherever you go in Bali, you will see that there is the statue, like a huge statue
the
of
statues and the architecture
different
is all
kind of
related
God.
around their gods.
Yeah, like Krishna. I just know one god in Hinduism. But yeah, Bali is predominantly Hinduism. And they believe also that in the jungle there is a god. So rock shrine is one of the ways for them to pay respect to the god in the jungle.
So the problem you have with flying these drones in the waterfalls out here is there's so much tree cover that you can't get any GPS. So you gotta fly without an ATC positioning sensor, which makes it very hard to control. But as soon as I got up to the top of the waterfall, I popped in 8 GPS, so it's a little bit easier now. It's always nice coming here early in the morning when nobody else is here, because we happen to run into Bali Gateway, the tourist agency down here. So it's nice to be able to do some collaborations with other companies and other agencies and businesses that are trying to build a bigger brand. And you happen to see a lot of them down here in Southeast Asia.
Oh shit! Cool.
So thank you for watching. We have another episode of Bali Waterfalls coming out soon. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and tell us what you liked about it in the comments.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.